How to verify your YouTube channel. It has become mandatory to get your YouTube account verified if you want to fully utilize all the features and options offered by YouTube. Verifying social media accounts has become the standard across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Typically, this verification process is completed through your cell phone. Now, how do we actually go about verifying our channel? Go to your YouTube channel's dashboard. Click on Settings. Then on the left side, where it says Account, click on it. Then click on where it says Channel Status and Features. Make sure that you have selected the Channels tab. On the right side, click on Features, Eligibility tab. As you can see under Standard Features, there is the green icon which says that it is enabled. This means that you can easily upload video, create a playlist, add videos to existing playlists, etc. If you look at Intermediate Features, it says eligible, but it is not enabled. Once we verify our phone number, it will change into enabled. As you can see, there are 3 benefits of verifying your YouTube account. You get to upload videos longer than 15 minutes, add custom thumbnails, and it also enables live streaming. You do not get to avail these features if you do not undertake phone verification. The final option is enabling advanced features, which unlocks several key benefits, including uploading YouTube Shorts, adding external links and videos, daily live streaming, and, most importantly, eligibility to apply for monetization. To activate this option, you must complete phone number verification, which we are about to do, and either verify your identity via video or by uploading your passport or driver's license. After 2 months of channel activity and adhering to YouTube's community guidelines, your ID will be automatically deleted by YouTube. Remember, uploading your government-issued identity card is an important step, especially since our goal is to monetize them. Okay, now let's show you how to verify your phone number. Click on Verify Phone Number. You can use Text Me, the verification code, or Call Me option. I prefer the Call Me option as sometimes the cellular network does not deliver the verification code. Now select your country and enter your phone number. Click on Next. Now enter the 6-digit code and click on Submit. Congrats, your YouTube channel is now verified. You should notice that the intermediate features are now enabled. However, if you check the advanced features, you'll notice they aren't enabled yet. To activate these features, all you need to do is upload a picture of your driver's license or passport, or you can choose video verification instead. Keep in mind, activating advanced features is highly recommended because you won't be eligible for monetization until they are turned on. Overall, YouTube phone verification is essential for unlocking many of YouTube's key features and protecting your channel. YouTube phone verification unlocks many key features like longer video uploads, custom thumbnails, YouTube Shorts, live streaming, and monetization eligibility. Phone verification is often required to appeal strikes or to recover a suspended account, helping you maintain your channel's standing.